Hey guys, welcome back to Tech World's new video, and today we are going to be doing a review on OnePlus Watch, which is a smartwatch, and it's released on actually 23rd March 2021. Now let's head to its specifications.
So when we go to the specification, it is OnePlus and the model is watch. Price is 15,000 rupees if you buy in India, and then the release date, as told before, it is 23rd March 2021, around 1 month before. And the OnePlus watch is the model name, and the dial colors is that midnight black, moonlight silver, and dial shape is round and it's regular in size, and also it has the interchangeable strap and water resistant of IP68. Water resistant depth is 580 m and a dial material of 316 liter of stainless steel and ideal for unisex. And you have the dimension of this watch is 46.4 width, height is 46.4, and thickness is 10.9. Weight is 45 grams.
Now, as we go for the product details, it's having a sensor of a SP02 heart rate, compatible device which is Android, and its notification it's having a battery type of 402 mAh, a battery life which is 14 days. If you guys use it a normal way. So for the charger type, it's having a two Pogo pin charger with a connectivity feature which is call function, GPS, and messaging support. And for the platform and storage features, it's having compatible operating system which is Android 6.0, and above its internal memory is a 4 GB. Now let's set the camera and more stuff.
The camera and the display features, the display resolution is 454 by 454 and display is AMOLED. And the fitness and the watch function, it has the step count, heart rate monitor, alarm clock, date and time displays. Then the audio and the video features of this smartwatch is that the speaker is there and the microphone is there. Record.
Okay, sorry, I could not just unmute my mic. I'm very sorry. Pardon me. So, guys, if you like this video, please subscribe, like, comment, and share, put the notification button so guys will get notified. And do one thing: you have to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and turn on the notification button so you guys will get notified if you send a new video. And you have to turn on the notification to Tech World. So we will see you in the next video with a wrap and a whoop. And if you turn on the notification, you'll get notified if you send a new video. And we will see you in the next video. Wrap and a whoop and be say bye. Bye bye.
Bye.